Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po. Welcome to Titan Capital Market Presentation. So, in Trading Lives, Empower Futures. Ang gagawin natin dito kay Titan is mag-trade, mag-transact, mag-drive. Pakilala muna ako. My name is Icon Wap, a junior partner in Titan Capital Market. Okay? So, ano bang purpose ni Titan is nileverage niya yung EI at saka yung blockchain, no? Blockchain. Ito yung mga newly technology right now sa panahon natin ngayon. So, transformation for the traditional to finance to the next generation. In short, tinatransform lang po ni Titan yung mga traditional way and then to the next gen, no? To the next generation, okay? So yung next generation kasi natin is nasa blockchain na and nasa AI na. So according to BlackRock founder, no, the chairman CEO si Larry Pink is anong sabi niya? Adapt or get left behind. So ano ba? Ano bang mamili ka, no? Mag-adapt ka ba sa panahon ngayon? And then mahuhuli ka na lang, okay? So empowering the global social media trading community. So una po, strategic partner for the global inclusion. Magiging partner tayo kay Titan Capital Market. Diversity with the training in insight and then enhance your trading outcomes. So tuturuan din po tayo kung paano tayo magiging successful sa trade. So ano ba si Titan Capital Market? Na-establish siya sa in Australia. Okay? It stands for Intelligent Education. In short, focus in education. We have 100 professional worldwide. And then, we are regulated with WKFX. Okay? So, may mga award tayo kay WKFX. And then, focus tayo in Forex trading. Okay? Nagkakaroon tayo ng training, offline and offline, about Forex. Kalaman, dagdag kalaman po sa lahat ng gustong financial courses at trading courses. Okay? So, we are active right now in Europe, South Africa, China, India, Africa, and then Pilipinas. We are started already. So, around 6 months. So, Titan Capital Market CEO, Howard Yang, he's graduated in master's degree in Hong Kong, and then 20 years experience also about foreign exchange investment fund and other financial related. Here's our award and collaboration. Best Innovation Forex Brokers Award, Most Trusted Algorithm Trading Platform Award, Pentech Innovation Award. Okay? So, nare-receive yan lahat ni Titan Capital Market. We have 2 license, no? We are governed with NFE, National Future Association in Australia, and we have Canada Fund Track. Okay? Here's our WKFX recognition. Okay, so we are recognizing with the WKFX, so you can search in WKFX about legit brokers, Titan Capital Market. So we have a legalities on Australia and on Canada also. Okay, so yan, makikita natin yan. So our partners, Topmax, JitKey, AetherKey, Trader, and GPT for Drone. So we are bridging to the between traditional finance to the web. So this is the online courses of the Titan Capital Market. Says teaching how to be a successful trader o dagdag kaalaman po sa pag-trade natin. So we have already token, and the good news is we are already listed in our exchanger. So this is the only token that in just a span of 3 months we have already exchanger. Okay, so pangalan ng token natin which is Titan Token, TTT. Blockchains is BEC. Type token utility and token total token supply is nasa 360 million. Okay? So ito po yung makikita niyo sa cycle po ng ating ecosystem sa ating staking, 10%, team, 10%. Yan po yung magdagdag doon sa ating token. So Titan ecosystem, okay, yan ito yung ecosystem. So lahat ng partnership, incentives, okay? So diversifies across the platform. Okay, exclusive, dimensional, TT, lahat po yan sa token na po dinadaan para iikot po yung token natin 100%. So, ano po yung, paano natin gamitin yung token natin? So, we have staking, partnership, social trading, and e-commerce. Okay, Duffield, no? Duffield, meron din tayo dyan. Dyan iikot yung ating token. So, as you can see, we have launching our token November 6, and we are listing in Bitmark January 7. Okay, and you imagine that 3 months nagkaroon na tayo ng listing in Bitmark. Okay, ang price po November nung nilabas ni Titan yung token natin is $1. And then by December nasa $2.25. By January nasa $2.50. Right now $7.82. Nako po, pag nakabili ka ng token sa November, ang yaman mo na ngayon, okay? Kasi times 10 times 7 yung price, no? So ito yung first listing natin in Bitmark. You can download in Bitmark in your Play Store. You can start trading in Bitmark. Right now, ang price natin ni TT to USDT is $5. Okay, pag may isang TT ka, isang Titan token ka, is $5 po yan kay Bitmark. Okay, the good thing here in Titan Capital Market, if you become part of the partnership in Titan Capital Market, magkakaroon ka po ng unlimited token. Meron tayong programa dyan para maging part ka sa ating compensation plan. Make sure tapusin mo ang video, matuto ka mag-learn. Okay, so we have price in Bitmark. We have already priced the token in our in-house, in-floor. Okay, floor price. So ito yung price. Upon listing last January 7, nag-pick tayo up to $75 in one token. Ganun siya. Okay? So, ito yung first quarter listing natin, Bitmark and Mixi. Yan po, abangan nyo. March po, we are listing also in Mixi. And then second quarter, Albank and Get.io. And then third quarter, which is in Bybit. Dami po. Best time. Targeting natin po is 35 pairs. Okay, here in third quarter. The last quarter is Binance, Crypto.com, KoiCoin. Nako po, dami po. Sobrang nakaka-excite po Titan Capital Market. Ano bang offer ni Titan Capital Market? Titan Capital Market is launched B2B, business to business. We have a trader, 40 professional trader na magti-trade ng pera natin. Okay? Simpulin ko na lang po. We have trader na magti-trade ng pera natin. So, how can you assure na iti-trade yung pera natin? For me, many times I attend the trading live session of our company. Pinapakita nila kung paano kumikita yung company, paano nila pinapalago yung pera natin. Okay? So, Titan EI Bundle, ito yung pangalan ng ating package sa ating trading. Okay? Once magti-trade tayo. So, what is the Titan EI Bundle? So, this will be going to Wisewing, Firefox, and Crypto Arbitrage. Dito nila tinitrade yung pera natin. Okay, yan po. Hindi ka po makapagpa-trade ni company pag hindi ka po officially member or subscription nakapag-subscribe, no? Hindi ka po magiging partners ni Titan pag hindi ka po makapagpa-trade ni Titan para magkaroon ng passive pag hindi ka po nagiging subscribers ni Titan. So, ano makukuha ko as subscribers? You can get the education, you can access the account, pwede ka na magpa-trade. So, about education naman, you will learn about trading, you will learn about courses about financial, ma-apply mo yun sa sarili mo to improve your financial status. Okay? So, meron tayong 5 packages, no? Ano ba yung pinagkaiba dito? Meron tayong $100. Yung trading limit mo po dito is $500. Starting with $100. Meron din tayong 300. Pero, the good thing is, trading limit mo is 3,000. Meron tayong 1,000. Ang trading limit mo is 15,000 USDT. Mas lumalaki yung trading limit mo. Yung baga, kaya mo siyang pasukan ng 15,000. Okay, USDT. So, meron tayong 3,000. Ang trading mo 60,000 USDT. Kaya mong pasukan ng 60,000 USDT. And then, magkakaroon niya ng passive. Meron din tayong Ultra. 5,000 subscription. 125,000 USDT ang kaya niyang ipasok. Good news, pag mag-start ka po dito sa 300, may loyalty rewards ka daily. Okay, matatanggap mo as long as you hit the minimum of trading limit. Okay, for example, nag-trade ka ng 500 dito sa $300 na subscription mo, meron kang 0.05 daily rebates. Okay? Paano yan tatakbo? So, for example po, yung pera mo, nagdepende po yan sa contract, okay, at saka sa monthly rebates. So, in short, nagdepende po sa pera mo, sa amount ng pera mo, ang contract at ang rebates. So, for example, nagtitrade ka ng minimum of 100 up to 1,400. Yung rebates niyan is nasa 7 to 9% lang talaga. And the good thing is, 90 days contract, balik sa'yo yung capital. Okay? So, gusto mo naman na 180 days, make sure nakapag-trade ka po ng minimum 1.5 US dollars. Ang rebates mo dyan is 10 to 12%. Okay? So, ito po, pag nagiging gusto ka po ng 170 days, every month po to ha, every month po yung rebates na 9% every month. And then, after the last contract, babalik yung capital mo. Okay? So, dito naman tayo sa 270 days, meron siyang 15%. Okay? Minimum trading mo dyan is nasa 3,000. Okay? Minimum trading mo dito din naman sa 360 days. Ito yung pinakamataas na contract natin. 1 year is 5,000. Ang rebates mo dyan na matatanggap every month is 16 to 18%. Okay? So, in short, nagdepende sa amount mo ang contract natin at percentage na ibibigay ni company. Hindi naman to good to be true yung ano natin eh. Maliit lang ito eh. Pag trading yung pinag-usapan. So, dito nila din na dapat, meron lang akong example, pag sa bangka po, maglagay ng pera, tina-time deposit mo, 1 year mo pa yan matatanggap o mawi-withdraw, which is, meron kang 12% per annum o per year. Okay, so, pag i-times natin yan, 60,000 yung pera mo, nasa 7,000 lang per year. Pero pag i-diretso mo dito Titan, si bangko naman, pinapautang niya, and then pinapaloan niya, and then, tinitrade din nila sa stock market. Okay? So, Titan EA bundle natin, we are direct to the broker. Hindi na tayo dadaan ng bangko. So, 9% per month, 90 days contract, 60,000 mo, 9%. Magkano? 5,400 per month. Times natin ng 12 kasi 1 year yung pinag-usapan natin. Meron kang 64,800 per year. So, ang sobrang layo ang pinagkaiba kasi we are direct to the brokers. Okay? So, we are a legit brokers. Yan. May kinukompute din tayo na dividend daily natin once meron tayong mga subscription na nag 5,000. In short, dito sa Juice or EI contract, meron tayo dyan, no? Kukumputin lang natin yan pag nagiging part ka na sa Titan Capital Market. And good news is we are a freelance confin right now kasi yung EI bundle natin is starting January 15. So, before January 16, you can access the 90 days, 21%. 180 days is 180% dito sa ating EI bundle. Okay? So, ito naman, pag-usapan natin. Since we are talking at token, so, it's the time na magkaroon tayo ng token dito ni Titan kasi Titan is hub community. Mapapansin mo yung mga price ng token natin, hindi po masyadong bilis, no? Ang bilis lang, no? Ang target ng company is will be half of the Bitcoin price. Magkakaroon tayo ng 1 TTT, that's 1 million in peso. Nako po, masarap sabayan. Okay? So, for you to hold token, so you need to become partner in Titan Capital Market. So, Bitcoin, nobody believed 2019. But right now, it's already $37 or 2.1 million in peso or more. Okay? So, also in Binance, no, walang naniniwala kay Binance, pero right now, Binance is, magkano na si Binance? That's 13,700 per one Binance. Okay? So, this is it, Titan token, no? TTT, Titan token. I inform you. So, what you are going to do, very simple, is to become a member in Titan Capital Market and to get token, to hold the token, because all our token will be going into Bitmark or in our exchanges. So, ano yung good news din dito, once meron ka ng account, meron tayong compensation plan. Lahat ng ginawa mo ng passive, for example lang po, nagpa-passive ka ng $100. Okay, that's USDT, and then your rewards is converted into token. And then our token is going higher, no? Yung in-house natin na token is hindi po yan bumababa. Lagi po yung nagtataas kasi lumalaki po yung community natin. So yan, Titan token natin ngayon. Nag-start lang po sa $1 by last November. Right now, January is nasa $7.82. Okay? So, nakabili ako ng token na 34 token. Yung price na 2.50 pa lang. And then, isang iglap ko lang, nagiging 7.82. Nako po, nakapag-tiam-tiam tayo, no? So, yun lang po yung essence ng ating token. You need to learn what is the token, because in real life, we will be going to crypto industry. We have two currency right now, which is cryptocurrency and we have Philippine currency or US dollar currency. Meron tayong dalawang pera na tumatakbo. Yung baga, yung pera na currency na sa atin, country currency, which is magkakaroon tayo, pwede mahawakan natin yung pera. Ito is ang pera is nasa nasa coin lang. Okay? So, yan, makita nyo yung price, no? So, palaki yung price. So, November is $1 and then by December is $2.25 and then 2.50 na and then $7.82 right now. Ito, meron akong projective management about sa token. Target namin po, ang price natin ngayon is nasa 7.82. Ang target po per first quarter, magiging 30 for 1 Titan token. Okay? So, what if meron ka ngayon 100 token? Binili mo yan ng 7.82. Okay, binila mo yan ng 7.82. So, magkakaroon ka ng $782. Okay, yung babayaran mo. Sa piso po, $43,000. 100 token na po yan. Okay, so, let's make realistic lang po. Hindi na aabot ng 30. Kasi meron, ngayon, nasa na tayo 7.82. 20 USDT lang yung in-house natin na price. Okay, so, 20 times 100, that's 2,000 USDT. Times natin sa 57, kasi 57 yung dollars natin. Yung 43,000 mo, umabot yan ng 114,000. Okay, kaya nga, yung mga grand apply natin ngayon, they are both 1 million token. Okay, in India, in Manila, they are both total of 1 million token. Kasi po, alam nila kung paano, alam nila yung prediction ng ating token kasi we have already community. Ang daming gumagamit ng token natin. Hindi yung token na walang gumagamit, hindi kinakilala. Titan token right now is we have 200,000 members worldwide na gumagamit ng token natin. All your commission, all your royalty will be in the token. It's short, titibag at gagalaw yung token natin around the world. Okay? So, secret of success is accumulating of TTTTT. Paano po? Magkaroon ng TTT na marami ulit dito is mag-subscribe and then mag-trade. Kasi you will earn the percentage per month and that will be converted into TT. Okay? And then you can out in Bitmark or any exchangers and convert it into money. Ang excite po. Okay, ang dami kang matutunan, no, dito. And then you can go network kasi unlimited TTT po tayo dito pag tinatrabaho natin. Okay, so ito na po, pag-usapan na po natin paano yung network na magkakaroon tayo ng unlimited TTT. So only you have to do is to become a partner any of that package. Start $100 right now. Kasi po, magkakaroon ka po dito sa ating Global Partners Program. Okay, Global Connection, Limitless Potential, Embrace our Partners Program. Ano po yun? Meron tayong community, okay, participation, rewards. In short, pag mag-participate ka sa ating programa, tatrabahuin mo yung sistema natin, which is kumikita ka din ng unlimited pera. Okay, so dollars tayo dito, no? So una, meron tayong referral rewards, meron tayong fairing rewards, meron tayong partner rewards, stellar leadership rewards, third dividend rewards, super elite bonus, super dividend bonus, and Titan ambassador. Okay? Ito yung remarks. All rewards shall be calculated in based in subscription. Once mag-subscribe yung tao mo, meron ka pong rewards na matatanggap. All dividends shall be calculated in base in the trading returns. Magkakaroon ka pa ng passive sa dividends natin. Yung magti-trade po, magkakaroon ka ng every month partners nila. So, pairing rewards will be daily limit. Ano po yon? Pag 100 subscription ka po, $100 daily income ka lang po. In short, meron kang 5,700 per day. O, okay po ba yun? So, okay po ba yun na meron kang 5,700 per day? So, what if malaki yung subscription mo, malaki din yung per day mo? Okay, all rewards dividend will be paid in TTT. Ganon sa kaganda. Kasi po, doble income po tayo. Bakit po? Kasi kumikita tayo ng commission through our effort. Pag i-convert natin yan into TTT, kung ano yung price ng TTT natin in-house, yun yung value sa dollars. At the same time, pag i-forward natin yan doon sa Bitmark, kung malaki yung value din ng Bitmark, naku po, magta-times 2 times yung pera natin. Okay? So, wag kayong mag-alala na hindi ko naman alam yan, hindi ako mahilig dyan kasi all things will be pwedeng matutunan. Kasi pinanganak tayo sa mundo na wala tayong kaalaman, pero right now, we have a lot of learnings about do money online. So, in short, tayo dito is magtutulungan lang. So, kung ikaw gusto, pwede kaming PM o pwede mong i-PM yung nagbigay sa iyo ng video na to. Tuturuan kanya kung paano makapag-start dito, paano yung conversion, paano yung starting, paano yung mentoring, ituturo namin sa lahat sa inyo. Okay? So, ngayon po, mag-start tayo sa referral. So, kahit ano po ang subscription mo, pag may pumasok dyan na any of that package, magkakaroon ka ng 12%. Lupit, no? 12% po sa subscription nila. Ito po, meron akong ginagawa, 12% po. So, for example, nakakuha ka ng subscription na $300. Meron kang $36. Nakakuha ka ng 100 subscription, meron kang $12. Nakakuha ka ng 1,000 subscription, meron kang $120. Nakakuha ka ng 3,000 subscription, meron kang $360. Nakakuha ka ng 5,000 subscription, meron kang $600. That's unlimited. Pwede kang kumuha ng marami. Upload mo sa Facebook mo, upload mo sa YouTube mo, upload mo sa lahat ng TikTok mo para makapag-share ka ng blessing sa kanila. Makilala nila si Titan Capital Market. So, and then, magkakaroon ka ng income. So, pag itotal natin yan lahat, kung yan lang nakukuha mo, that's 63,000 pesos. Okay? So, yan yung total. How much more pag marami pa? Okay? Pangalawa, pairing bonus. Ang pairing po natin, nagbe-base po siya sa small amount. Dito po ang kagandahan, once nag-position ka, kasi this is one account. So, when you talk about one account, lahat ng nag-workout sa taas is pwedeng ma-under sa'yo. In short, one account policy, lahat ng nag-work sa taas, pwede ma-under sa'yo. And the good thing is, lahat ng if you are a free sign up right now, kasi wala ka pang masyadong pera, ito yung pinakamalupit, no? Kasi, if you are a free sign up right now, kahit free sign up ka, pagkakaroon ka po ng points pag may nag-activate sa baba. Pero maganda pag mag-activate ka kagad kasi magagamit mo yung link mo. Okay? So, dito po is nagbibigay po si company ng 10%. Pansin mo, sir, bakit mas maliit lang, no? Kasi po, magta times 2 pa yan. Pag i-convert mo niyan sa TT at ilagay mo sa Bitmark yan, magta times 2 pa yan. Ganun kalupit po. So, for example, meron kang 10 TT doon sa wallet mo. And then, yung price ng TT doon sa Bitmark is $5. So, yun, 10 times 5, yun yung result ng pera mo. Ganun po kaganda, no? Dito sa atin, no? Kumikita talaga tayo ng malaki. No, alam niyo po ba dito sa pairing natin ngayon, may kumikita na ng $2 million. Okay, total earnings. May kumikita na ng 100,000 per month dito lang sa pairing na to. Okay, kasi isa lang yung league na tatrabuhin mo dito. In short, dalawa lang kukunin mo eh. Yung dalawa, pag kumuha sila, may 10% ka. Yun, dumami. That's leverage. Nile-leverage mo po yan. Titan Partners. So, pag nagiging junior partner ka, meron kang additional 2%. Ang qualification lang po is mahit mo lang yung 3,000 total income. Okay, from direct and from pairing. So, senior partner is 4%. Executive partner is 6% additional income in whole group. Okay, junior partner is 8%. And last senior partner is 10%. At may rank pa tayo mamaya, no? Meron tayong stealer. So, anong sabi dito? Pag activate mo, they are counting in 10 days. After 10 days po, okay, so pag nakakuha ka before 10 days, okay, yung may time pa, nakakuha ka ng 4, magkakaroon ka ng free, okay, $100 account. So, once i-include yun, kikita ka din ng 12% and 10%. Ganyan po. Okay? So, ito namang third dividend natin. So, yung pinag-usapan ko kanina is based in subscription yon. Yung nag-subscribe sa'yo is nagtitrade yon, nagpapatrade yon. Di ba magpa-profit yon every month? Yes. Pag nagpa-profit yon every month, magkakaroon ka ng 20% doon. Pag ikaw ay 100 trade, no? May 100 trade ka. Okay, pag may 100 trade ka, meron kang 20% sa buong nag-trade ng grupo mo. Okay, malinaw po. Pag yung total 1,000 USDT na yung trade mo, up to 6 level ka sa lahat ng trade mo. In short, 30% lahat yan. 5. So, 20% hinati lang ng 4th level, 30% hinati lang ng 6th level. Pag ikaw ay total trade, okay, pag nag-trade ka po sa sarili mo ng total ng 5,000 is magkakaroon ka ng 8th level. 40% hinati lang natin sa buong grupo mo. Monthly income nila, monthly dividend ka din. Okay? So, pag $15,000 ang total trade mo is 50% ka. Pag $30,000 total trade mo is 60% ka. Ganon kalupit yung system natin. Okay? So, kumikita ka pa sa subscription, kumikita ka pa sa third dividend natin. And then, Titan Software Leadership Bonus, ito yung malupit, no? Pag ikaw ay nagiging 1 million, just create a 1 million people, just create a millionaires people also, you can go to Hermes. Additional 4%. And then, if makagawa ka ng 2 milyonaryo, under sa'yo, and millionaires ka din, that's Athena yung pangalan mo, 6%. Poseidon, 3 milyonaryo na under sa'yo, might 8% ka additional sa grupo nila. Zeus is meron kang 10% additional. 4 na milyonaryo direct mo, magawa-gawa mo din. And the good news, meron ding super elite bonus. Okay, Hermes 1.5, Athena 1%, Poseidon is 1%, Zeus is 0.5%. And then, the last part na the income natin is Titan Ambassador. So, in short, ano ba to? Once magiging Titan Ambassador ka po, is you will become or you will get monthly 3% Titan Global sharing with equally amount of all Titan Ambassadors. Ganun kalupit. In short, 3% talaga yung matatanggap mo every month sa buong sales ng company. Okay, so grabe, no? Very excited sa first ambassador here in Titan Capital Market. So ito yung mga Wiki Expo natin sa Dubai na CEO signing a book. We have our CEO is the author of one of the forex trading book. Okay, so happened this September last 2022. So this is the Wiki FX Expo. Our company is awarded. So okay, coverage in India Fintech Expo also. Okay, and then we have Titan Dubai Leader Summit, and we have Titan Capital Market Global Leadership Summit. Buong country na po nagsama-sama. Titan Leader Summit India, okay, in Thailand. And then ngayon po sa 2024, abangan nyo po, we have a Blockchain Festival in Asia happening in Singapore. Okay, so lahat ng magmilyonaryo within until January 16, you have free going to Singapore. And then this coming zone we have in Texas, USA, and this coming December 2024 in India, Web3 Carnival. Okay, abangan natin yan. Maganda, pupunta tayo dyan. So, Titan Supreme Challenge 2, okay, yan. Happening ito in India. Okay, and then ito, Super Challenge 1, 3, happening in Dubai. Okay, namimigay dyan ng mga incentives sa lahat ng qualifier. Thank you po. Embracing Technology Empowered Change the Chart Courses Toward the Future, where its possibilities are limitless. Congratulations everyone sa mga nakapanood ng video na to. Don't waste time. Just search now and then just start now. So, yun lang po ang pinaka-importante. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you next video.